Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to schedule auto power on and off on ULEFONE Armor 21. So first go into the settings and find the special functions right here. Then scroll down to schedule power on and off, and here you can set the power on time and repeat, for example, every day, and power off to, here you can change the time and when to enable the schedule, and now just enable both of them. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.